Chop. Introducing Super Pork Chops. Do 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 do. About to attempt to jump this basket.
Hold on.
Let's do all of Pork Chop's tricks. Up, 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 up. Wow. Up, 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 up. Wow. Up, up, up. Alrighty, Pork Chop, you ready to jump the box? Freeze! 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 Can you see it good in the camera?
Yeah.
Alright, Pork Chop, ready? Ready?
Push him back.
Back up. Go!
Move
Wow!
your hand out of the way.
Sorry. You getting it good? Sorry. Chop, Pork Chop.
Here, get him back.
Huh? Good boy. Now back up. Back up, back up, back up. Go! No.
Cheater.
No, you little cheater. Back up, jump.
They can
Last
do one
one.
more coming this way.
Okay. Good boy. Is that a good one?
No.
Okay. Oh,
That's good.